Everyone, this is Gianni, founder and guide at Walkabout Italy. I find myself in the beautiful Tuscan countryside. Look at this beautiful countryside. Thank you very much for signing up to our newsletter, and you will receive every week, every 2 weeks, an email from us, a newsletter, and our newsletter will be about funny stories about Italy, interesting facts about traveling Italy. What do the Italians do in the morning when they drink coffee? Little bits and pieces like this. This is exactly what we normally share with our guests during the trips. I know the situation now, it's very hard. The industry of travel has been hit hard, but we will certainly come out of this situation in few months, and we're ready to travel again, and we're really looking forward to meeting you on the trail. It's going to be even more fun than before. Okay, so I will talk to you with my emails in a bit. Thank you so much for showing your interest, and I will talk to you very soon. Ciao, ciao.